My name is Vincent D'Iso, one of the creators of Do This With Your Life podcast. Along with my co-host Louis Risk, we have a way of getting you discounts on fun activities in and outside the city. Now let's get started. Take advantage of the discounts that we set up for you on various fun tours, trips, and activities. The discount code is Do This Discount, all capital letters. Now let me show you how you can save some serious cash. Prague Bus Tours is a website offering all-inclusive tours of Prague and day trips to the coolest cities and towns in the Czech Republic. There's free Wi-Fi on the bus, and depending on the tour, lunch is usually included. They also offer river cruises on the Vltava with a buffet and live music. There are also day trips to Český Krumlov, one of the most beautiful and romantic little towns you'll ever see, Kutná Hora, where you can see the infamous ossuary decorated in human bones, and Terezín concentration camp for a sombering reminder of the atrocities of World War II. Simply go to the website praguebus.tours and choose whichever activity you wish. When it's time to book the tour, type in Do This Discount in the box labeled Discount Code. Click Apply Code and watch the price go down 15%. It's like magic. Hiking. Now, if you're more of the outdoorsy type, the Czech Republic can offer you some of the most beautiful scenery and fun hiking trails. We've partnered up with northernhikes.com to get you a €10 per ticket discount on any of the tours on offer. These guys will pick you up from your accommodation in Prague and take you up to Bohemian Switzerland National Park for a day you'll never forget. To get your discount, choose the tour you like, choose a date, and in the message box, write the code word Do This Discount. You won't see the price change immediately, but when it's time to pay, they'll knock off €10 per ticket. Skydiving. Have you ever thought about jumping out of a plane? Prague might just be the place where you can tick that off your bucket list. And of course, we've worked out a deal for you to get an extra €10 off the price. The awesome thing about these guys is that the meeting point is in the center of Prague. They'll drive you out to the drop zone, give you a quick safety course, and then up you go. If you're interested, go to the website en.skyservice.cz, choose which package you like best, pick the date, and then click on the box where it says, I have a discount code. A box will appear and you should type in Do This Discount for €10 off each ticket. Luggage storage. If you're arriving to Prague earlier than the check-in time, or if you're leaving in the evening, well after your checkout time, you might need a place to store your luggage. You could go to luggagestorage.com to learn more, or you could pause the video and write down the addresses. If you mention this video, they will give you a 5% discount off the price. The code word is Do This Discount, all capital letters. We'll have it in the video description as well. If you want to make life a little bit easier and want a reputable driver to be waiting for you, for example at the airport terminal, once you get out, we have included a link in the description below. The cost is 600 crowns for airport transfer. Simply fill out the form and you're good to go.
Thanks a lot, guys. Now click like if you liked our video, and also subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date.